How to reset all local group policy settings to default in Windows. If your Windows system is acting strangely after some policy changes or software tweaks, resetting the local group policy settings might be the fix you need. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub for more tech content like this. Understanding local group policy in Windows. Local group policy in Windows lets you control system, user, and application settings. It's a powerful tool for managing security, blocking apps, configuring permissions, and more. However, if misconfigured, it can cause unexpected behavior or instability. Fortunately, resetting local group policy to its default state is a simple way to restore system behavior without affecting your personal files. Before making any changes, always back up your system and the group policy configuration, just in case you need to restore them later. Methods to reset group policy. Now let's look at 4 ways to reset group policy settings using File Explorer. Navigate to this folder, and also to delete the contents of both folders. Administrator rights are required. Using Command Prompt. Open Command Prompt as administrator, then run these commands. Using PowerShell. Open PowerShell as administrator and run manual reset via Group Policy Editor. Open the local Group Policy Editor and manually set each modified policy back to not configured. This method is useful if you remember the changes made, but it's not ideal for full resets. After any of these methods, run this command, gpupdate/force. Then reboot your system to ensure all changes take effect. More tips and reminders. If you're in a business or enterprise environment, remember that local group policy only applies to the device it's configured on. For centralized control, Windows domain and Active Directory are required. You can manage hundreds or thousands of devices with greater efficiency and security. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to reset all local group policy settings, linked in the description below.